Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. My name is Daisy L. Tiempo. I'm 35 years old. I am married. I have 5 children, age of 19 years old and 17 years old and 15 years old and 14 and 13 years old.
Okay, so how many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I have 4 siblings and I am the youngest of the 4 siblings.
So can you tell me about your educational background?
I am a high school graduate for 2002 to 2006.
And what is the reason why you did not finish your study, ma'am?
Because of the financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad, ma'am?
Yes, I am. I was working in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 5 months, and my main duty was taking care of children. First is twins and 0 months old and 10 years old, 9 years old and 5 years old and 3 years old.
Okay, so aside from taking care of their children, do
Uh,
you have any other duties and responsibilities there, ma'am?
yes, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, and ironing.
Okay, so that's all, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it a finished contract, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. And the second is in Hong Kong for 1 year and 2 months. My main duty is taking care of 2 elderly, taking care of 3 cats and 4 turtles. And I didn't finish my contract. I was terminate my employer without reason.
Okay, so since you are taking care of an elderly there, ma'am, so how old are they, ma'am?
Uh, 94 years old, the Kong Kong, and Pupu was 89 years old.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I'm hardworking, honest, and flexible.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have a tattoo in my right arm. It's the name of my children, and it's my name.
Okay, so can you show me your tattoo, ma'am? Okay, so aside from that, do you have any other tattoo? So that's all, ma'am. Okay, so why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I want to work in abroad due to financial for my 2 college. Uh, they they go to school with courses of nursing and medtech. That's why I want to go back to abroad.
To support their study
Yes,
financially,
ma'am, to
ma'am.
support them.
Okay, so did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
So can you give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them with calmly talk and uh, to tell them that uh,
To tell them to be a good
to
boy
be a
and
good
girl.
boy and good girl.
Okay. So, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
How about big dogs, ma'am?
No.
That as well. Okay, so what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
To my future employer, if you choose me, I want you to know that I will be a good helper to take care your children as my own child, and I hope I will finish my contract, and that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.